Welcome back. A bid has been made by the Modi Sarkar to completely overhaul colonial-era Indian criminal justice delivery system. The Home Minister today tabled 3 bills for the complete overhaul of the colonial-era Indian criminal laws. And the 1860 Indian Penal Code will be replaced by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita will replace the Code of Criminal Procedure, and similar changes also being made to the Indian Evidence Act. All 3 of them have been referred to a standing committee for review. The sedition law has now been overhauled as acts of secession, so the word sedition is not in the proposed law. It is instead replaced by Section 150 for acts endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Listen in to the Home Minister promising to replace the colonial law with a new age Indian law which not just punishes but provides justice.
मान्यवर, राजद्रोह पर कि अंग्रेजों ने अपने शासन को बचाने के लिए एक कानून बना था। मैं इस सदन को कहना चाहता हूं, एक ऐतिहासिक निर्णय इस सरकार ने किया है। राजद्रोह को कंप्लीटली हम रिपील कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीटली। यहां लोकतंत्र है, सबको बोलने का अधिकार है। राजद्रोह को हम कंप्लीटली रिपील कर रहे हैं मान्यवर।
The 3 proposed legislation which was introduced in the Parliament by Honorable the Home Minister are path-breaking. Organized crime has been defined separately. Other provisions for women's safety. A very comprehensive bill which shrugs off the colonial legacy of the past and is in tune with the current realities of India to make it more pro-people, expeditious hearing, and above all, catching real fugitives.
The Honorable Home Minister has moved 3 historic bills in the Parliament which are going to replace the colonial-era criminal justice laws which govern the criminal justice space in India. This is a monumental reform that is going to touch the lives of every Indian.
गृह मंत्रालय के द्वारा जो 3 बिल लाए गए हैं, वो अब तक जितने भी विद्वान इंडियन पेनल कोड में सुधार के लिए, रिफॉर्म्स के लिए बात करते रहे होंगे, उसका एक ऐतिहासिक दिन था। और विपक्ष के साथियों ने भी इसकी खुले दिल से, जैसे अकाली दल ने, बीजू जनता दल ने, इन लोगों ने बहुत बड़े स्तर पे गृह मंत्री जी का स्वागत किया। आप सोचिए, अब फैसला 30 दिन के अंदर देना पड़ेगा माननीय न्यायाधीश महोदय को भी। मैं समझता हूँ स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में तो गई है, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है। हालांकि वो तो सुनने में इतना अच्छा लग रहा था कि पास ही कर देने लायक था।
ये बिल अपने आप में अभूतपूर्व है। कानून में वो सारे प्रावधान इस रूप में किए गए हैं जिससे कि आम आदमी अपने को सुरक्षित महसूस करे।
मुझे लगता है कि ये ऐतिहासिक क्षण है हमारे भारतवर्ष के लिए कि जो 1860, 1892 उस समय के जो आईपीसी और सीआरपीसी और एविडेंस एक्ट थे, उन सबको आप जो है आज बदल के नया जो विधेयक लाया गया और उसको पुनर्स्थापित किया गया और इसके साथ साथ उसको स्टैंडिंग कमेटी को दिया गया है। उसके अंदर और अगर कहीं कोई किसी भी तरह की कोई गुंजाइश है, कोई सुझाव है अगर पक्ष और विपक्ष दोनों के, उसके लिए तो मैं सबको बहुत इस बात के लिए मुबारकबाद और धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। आदरणीय केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री जो हमारे अमित भाई शाह जी हैं, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, क्योंकि इसके अंदर महिलाओं को और बच्चों के लिए बहुत से ऐसे कानून आने वाले हैं कि जिसके तहत जो अपराधी जो हैं किसी भी कीमत पर बचेंगे नहीं।
Now the opposition has given mixed reactions to the change in the criminal justice system. Listen in.
मुझे राजद्रोह के कानून के बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं है। अगर ब्रिटिशर्स लेके आए थे, अपने लिए किया था, तो अब ज़रूरत नहीं है उसकी, हटा दिया। लेकिन देशद्रोह के कानून में उन तमाम लोगों को लाना चाहिए जो धर्म के आधार के ऊपर अपनी राजनीति कर रहे हैं। अब हम राजनीति करें, विकास पे करें, रोजगार पे करें, किसान पे करें, मरीज पे करें, गरीब पे करें, मजदूर पे करें, लेकिन हम धर्मों की राजनीति बंद करें।
The intention or the motive behind it appears to be fairly laudable, because he wants to improve criminal justice system, as he appears to have been saying, and he wants to bring reforms to colonial laws and ensure that the people's faith in our criminal justice system improves. But it can't be done summarily in the manner in which the Home Minister is suggesting. It's a marathon job. It needs a great amount of homework. It needs expertise.
Legal editor Harish Nair joining us on the broadcast for a better understanding of what these changing of rules could mean for the justice system. Harish, explain to us the big changes that have been brought in. The Union Home Minister announcing a sea of changes, a complete overhaul in the justice system.
Yes, sir. Remember, Pratibha, this center had in March 2020 constituted the Criminal Law Reforms Committee, and pursuant to the receiving the report of that committee, now these changes have been proposed, and the Prime Minister has always been saying that the archaic colonial laws should go, and as rightly said, this is massive changes in the criminal law, and many colonial-era laws have been removed, and present law has been done away with, and it's a big step on crime against women too, as some of the provisions, like there's a 20-year term for rape cases and death term for raping minor. And what is interesting is that though the government has claimed that sedition law has been repealed, it has been rechristened in the form of another provision under the Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Bill, that is the Indian Penal Code, with a section on acts endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. And there are separate provisions for mob lynching, also punishable with 7 years or life imprisonment or death penalty, depending on the gravity of offence. And yes, there are several changes brought into not only the Indian Penal Code, but also the Criminal Procedure Code and also Indian Evidence Act. But now it's a long drawn process, as many of the reactions are coming in. And now the entire thing will be placed before a parliamentary standing committee. And once again, on the basis of that report, will have to be once again placed before the parliament, both houses of the parliament, to pass. So it's going to be a long drawn process, and it'll be some time. It'll be taking some time before these are finalized. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details. The bill has now been passed in the Lok Sabha as it awaits another test in the Rajya Sabha as well. But for the moment, let's shift our focus now to another political slugfest that took place, that erupted after the Aam Aadmi Party MP Raghav Chadda's suspension from the Rajya Sabha. Chadda was suspended from the upper house after 5 MPs complained that they were named in a house panel proposed by the Aam Aadmi Party MP without their consent. The Rajya Sabha passed a resolution moved by the leader of the house, Piyush Goyal, to suspend Raghav Chadda till the Privileges Committee submits its findings on the alleged breach of privileges. Moving the resolution, Goyal also slammed the Aam Aadmi Party leader, accusing him of unethical conduct and disregard of rules. In addition to Chadda's suspension of 2 other Aam Aadmi Party MPs, Sanjay Singh as well as Sushil Kumar Rinku, has been extended till the Privilege Committee submits its report.